Happy Smashtober, and welcome to another meteorology segment where we talk about wind and weather and all kinds of things like this, and we increase your probability to know how to forecast your own weather. So we see the jet stream blowing backwards here over the western Pacific once again and the northern Indian Ocean. You see that backward jet stream motion right there, folks? That's blowing east to west, the opposite direction of the rest of the jet streams, as you can see up here and down here. Looks like some clear days for Kimberley at the moment, as the jet stream is moving right over the central part of eastern Australia. How about the surface winds? There are the surface winds of the eastern world. Some strong winds around the Kamchatka Peninsula, a low pressure on both sides. And also some low pressure zones there around Tasmania. Let's take a look at the western portion of the planet. There's Western Earth, a powerful low off of Newfoundland as well. Here are the jet streams of the west. Quite chaotic here in the northern hemisphere once again. Places like the North Atlantic, the jet stream sort of all over the place. And you can see this is an upper level powerful low here, represented all the way up to the jet stream. Continuing on, hard freeze warnings for the entire western half of North Dakota, as well as northeastern Colorado. Got some gale warnings around places like Alaska and Hawaii. Heavy freezing spray warnings, freeze watches for the Texas stovepipe there. Anyway, if your county's lit up, head to weather.gov. Weather.gov. Click on your county. You can find out what the alert is. Next, the NASA Goes Lightning Mapper. We like to show it daily. It shows us where the teeth of the major storms are located. Quite a bit of lightning there in northern South America and the Central American region. Only a little bit in the U.S. Let's take a look at a real-time lightning map and see if there are any terrestrial strikes. Hey, Tulsa. You've got a severe thunderstorm to your southeast. If you're on a tall building, go take some footage of the cloud tops. You may find some interesting phenomenon going up there not visible to the naked eye. Yes, your cell phone camera. If you notice, your cell phone camera can see the light on your remote. Yeah. Your cell phone camera can see into the infrared spectrum and into the UV spectrum. So if you see some funky phenomenon, folks, take a video of it, as your eyes are largely limited to the optical range. Your eyes are limited to the optical range. Leave us a comment if you're a vampire who has infravision or ultravision. Next, looking at pressure cells here on windy.com. Windy.com, they've got a great mobile app. We're not paid to say it. I'm not paid to use it, but it works great. Let's advance the European forecast here for pressure. This is pressure, atmospheric barometric pressure. And normally we show in the pressure isobars. There are the pressure isobars. Let's advance this into tomorrow, Saturday, October 16th. There's where we expect things to be at noontime tomorrow, Saturday, October 16th, according to the European forecast. A strong double low in between Alaska and Kamchatka. Anticyclones on both sides of South America. Continuing on, here's your GIF animation. This is the GFS forecast for precipitation. And it's a 72-hour forecast from Tropical Tidbits. Again, this is the GFS 72-hour forecast. It's going to be a rainy weekend, a bad weekend for riding your bike in the mid-Atlantic states. Moving on, to remind you to follow us on Twitch, twitch.tv/smAsho. It's just a spectacular live streaming platform, folks. And while most of our content is indeed at youtube.com/smAsho, we love the Twitch platform so much that we use it on the regs. It's the world's ultimate live streaming platform. What can I say? Did you know we're also on BitChute? Yeah, there are exclusive videos there. We even did one on 9/11 entitled Never Forget to demand accountability. Yeah. BitChute.com/smAsho. Thanks to our subscribers over there. If you're viewing the videos only on BitChute, make sure you view on YouTube. Again, you're missing about 90% of the content by only watching in one location. Most of our videos are on YouTube. There are exclusives on all of our social media, so check it out. Thanks to our patrons, please cancel your Patreon membership and become members of the Smash Team. It's just vastly superior. SmashoMash.com/Smash Team. We've built our own website because, well, we can't be held by the boxes of big tech. Facebook made it evidently clear and super obvious in 2018 that we needed our own domain, and so we bought it. We even posted the latest Joe Rogan Experience, the interview with Alex Berenson. So perhaps check that out. SmashoMash.com/Smash Team. I believe that's even available to bronze members, by the way. There's a bronze, a silver, a gold, and a paid-up gold option available. SmashoMash.com/Smash Team. Links on the homepage to that. Check out the merch as well. SmashoMash.com has all of the links that are relevant. Next, looking at the water vapor over the Pacific Ocean. Were you aware that water vapor is an actual greenhouse gas? Yeah. You ever notice the way it stays warm at nighttime when it's cloudy? That's because water vapor is a very powerful greenhouse gas, folks. If you look at the Southern Pacific, it's pretty dry over the Southern Pacific at the moment. And the reason why deserts get so cold at night is because of a lack of humidity in the atmosphere. Yeah, water vapor, the Earth's primary greenhouse gas. Anyway, there is Earth's primary greenhouse gas, water vapor. It's the NASA GOES Interactive Weather Satellite Suite, and it's just sweet. Next, the U.S. Doppler radar map. By the way, here's the giant state of Alaska. Still some snow and mixed precipitation falling there in the southern part of the state. Let's animate the Doppler radar. There you go. And that's stagnating and rotating from the way I see it. Next, looking at the lower 48. Looks like some snow continuing to fall in places like Colorado, Kansas, North and South Dakota, even some in Iowa, it looks like, maybe. Also in Montana and Wyoming, some snow showers there. And a significant band of rain here stretching from Arkansas to Ottawa. Here's what's going on in the cloud layer. It's too dark to see the clouds. We use the 3.9 nanometer shortwave radiation map. Here's the water vapor map over the lower 48. Let's bring it back and do a recap. There's the U.S. Doppler radar map. That's radar.weather.gov if you're wondering. Radar.weather.gov. Here's the cloud layer, the shortwave radiation map. And here's the water vapor map. Hopefully that helped. Hopefully you're able to forecast your own weather. If you've got questions, comments, hate mail, leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. If you've got custom weather forecasts you'd like us to do, let us know about that too. We'll consider it. Time to end this live stream. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted. Name it news.